So this is very interesting but also frustrating news for new computer science graduate and mid-level engineer. Coding, one of the most valuable skill today, might soon be fully automated by artificial intelligence. So recently on Joe Rogan podcast, Mark Zuckerberg, founder of Meta, predicts that by 2025 AI will be able to code like a mid-level engineer, and big tech companies are already working on these ideas.
Probably in 2025, we at Meta, as well as the other companies that are basically working on this, are going to have an AI that can effectively be a sort of mid-level engineer that you have at your company that can write code. And once you have that, then in the beginning it'll be really expensive to run, and then you can get it to be more efficient, and then over time we'll get to the point where a lot of the code in our apps and including the AI that we generate is actually going to be built by AI engineers instead of people engineers.